Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Dr. Numal Momin distributed scholarship checks. Huge quantity of drugs seized in Bokojan, 2 persons apprehended. New office bearers of KSA Delhi Head Branch take oath. Hello and welcome to Caribbean Life English Primetime with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Dr. Numal Momin distributed checks to students and patients through MLA scholarship scheme on Friday. At an event hosted by Lakhiram Rongpi, Sarupathar Mandal Committee at Bokojan, Numal Momin attended the event as the chief guest and distributed checks to the beneficiaries. At the event, Numal Momin on his speech assured all the students to assist them for their higher studies in every way possible, especially those students who wanted to pursue their degrees in medical profession. The checks were given to 184 students and 13 medical patients, amounting to rupees 5,000 and 11,000 each respectively.
Deputy Speaker discretionary fund ওপৰত আমি 30 গৰাকী ৰোগী আৰু 184 গৰাকী ষ্টুডেণ্টক স্কলাৰশ্বিপ ফাইনেন্সিয়েল এছিষ্টেন্স দিছোঁ আৰু আমাৰ সমষ্টিৰ পৰা যিখিনি ৰোগী আৰু ষ্টুডেণ্ট তেখেতসকলে পাইছে যিটো আৰ্থিক অনুদান মই ভাবোঁ ইয়াৰ দ্বাৰা তেখেতসকলৰ পৰিয়ালৰ যিসকল অভিভাৱক বহুখিনি সকাহ পাব আৰু আগন্তুক দিনত তেখেতসকলে ষ্টুডেণ্ট বিশেষকৈ তেখেতসকলে পঢ়া শুনাত মনোযোগ দিব কৰি ভাল মই আশা কৰোঁ আৰু যিবিলাক ৰোগী তেখেতসকলেও ৰোগমুক্ত হ'ব বুলি মোৰ এটা ধাৰণা আৰু এনেধৰণৰ কাৰ্যসূচী এনেধৰণৰ কাম মই যোৱা 6টা বছৰ কৰি আহিছোঁ।
Anantarang's report from Bokojan, Caribbean Live. Caribbean Police has seized drugs worth crores on Friday from Bokojan. 2 persons have been apprehended in this connection. Acting upon the specific intel received by Caribbean Police about the smuggling of drugs from Dimapur to their destined location via Bokojan, all the police stations under Bokojan subdivision were put on high alert and checkposts were set up at several locations. The suspects were spotted paddling, carrying vegetables bags with drugs hidden inside them at Lahore-Janti Estate Road to avoid daily routine checkup at Assam-Nagaland border. On checking their bags, 79 soap boxes containing suspected heroin were recovered. Police say that the market price of the seized substance would be in crores. The 2 offenders arrested were identified as 39-year-old Mohan Singh and 19-year-old Rohit Singh. They are permanent residents of Dakhin Vidyanagar, Hojai, currently residing at Signal Angami, Dimapur. The search operation was carried out by SDPO Bokojan John Das, assisted by Sub-Inspector Raju Dwara, Lutfur Rahman, Deba Pratim Konwar, Swamdon Swargeri, ASI Nitul Saikia, personnel of 20 CRPF, APRG Camp Bokojan and all concerned PS staff.
আমি দুইটাকে সার্চ কৰিলোঁ আৰু ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিংলি এইটো বেগৰ ওপৰত চব্জি আছিলে আৰু ভিতৰটো সাৰ্চ কৰোঁতে আমি 79টা চাবোন বক্স পাইছোঁ য'ত আপোনাৰ এপ্ৰক্সিমেটলি 1 কেজি হেৰইন মজুত আছিলে। তো এই কাৰণে 2জন মানুহ আটক কৰা হৈছে, এজনৰ নাম মনিটন সিং আৰু এজনৰ নাম ৰোহিত সিং। তেওঁলোকৰ প্ৰেজেণ্ট এড্ৰেছ ডিমাপুৰ যদিও পাৰ্মানেণ্ট এড্ৰেছ হোজাই হয় আৰু দুইটা মানে বাপেক পুতেক হয়। ভেলু ইণ্টাৰনেশ্যনেল ভেলু এপ্ৰক্সিমেটলি 7 crore।
Anantarang's report from Bokojan for Caribbean Live. The newly appointed office bearers of the Delhi Head Branch of Caribbean Students Association, in short KSA, were administered oath yesterday. The new office bearers took oath in the presence of advisor Chandra Singh Singhar, KSA Bokojan Regional Committee General Secretary Nobin Rongpi, ex-president Hundor Bey, ex-secretary Bhagya Teron and several others. More from our correspondent's report. The reshuffle of the KSA Delhi head branch took place on June 18. Accordingly, Bikram Crow was reinstated as the president, while Bokojan Hanse was given the charge of secretary, Devan Singh Bey and Sarbangri Teron as AGS, Abirta Timung and Waisong Terang given the charge of vice president. Few other persons were also included in the new body in different posts. All of them had taken oath yesterday to serve with sincerity and lead the body for the next 2 years. Speaking on the occasion, advisor Chandra Singh Singnar appealed the organization to keep itself away from involving with political parties. He urged them to hold more awareness camps on education, giving emphasis to quality learning. According to him, only by gaining quality education, the youth would be able to work positively for the welfare of the society. During the day, the organization had decided to hold a career counseling program very soon. Vijay Rongpist report from Delhi, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great hours.